So you must be very tired. You've been going all day.
आप सवेरे से लगे हुए हैं, आप थक गए।
थकना शब्द हमको ऐसे लगता है जैसे हमारी शोभा नहीं है।
It's not my honor to use the word tired.
जब उस समय सफला हो रहा है, खुशी हो रही है, तो थकना हो नहीं सकता।
Time is being used in a worthwhile way, and I'm happy about that, so it's not a question of being tired.
मैं ब्रह्मा बाबा को देखती थी, कभी थकता ही नहीं था, तो मैं कहती थी जितना परमात्मा की इसको शक्ति मिली हुई है, मुझे भी ये थोड़ा देर देकर मैं थकूं नहीं।
I used to see Brahma Baba, and we would see that he was tireless. And at that time, I used to wonder where he got his energy from, and I used to say, I would like to have the same energy.
परमात्मा के साथ लिंक से जुटी हुई थी, हमारी सेवा भी करता था, पर सदा ऐसे अथक।
We saw that he was continually in that communication with that link with the Supreme, and as a result of that, he had such energy that he would be serving all of us and many others.
उसके बारे
I
सुनाने
never got
बैठेंगे
tired.
तो आपकी और इंटरव्यू रह जाएंगी।
If I were to start sharing stories about him, your other questions would get left behind.
Was there a moment when there was a fundamental shift in which you knew then you had access to the same source of energy and power that he did?
कि आपको पता चले कि हाँ, अभी मेरा भी संबंध उस एक विशेष सोर्स से बन गया है, जहाँ से खोए से, जहाँ से सब कुछ मुझे भी प्राप्त हो सकता।
ये कि अंदर का जैसे नेत्र खुल जाता है ना।
Yes, there was a moment when the inner eye opened.
अपन को देखा ना तो
And I
मैं
was
क्या
able
हूँ।
to see myself and know who I am.
ब्रह्मा बाबा को देखती थी ना, इसका भी अंदर उससे डायरेक्ट परमात्मा से ऐसा कनेक्शन है जैसे शरीर इसका दिखाई नहीं पड़ता है।
And when I'd see Brahma Baba, I'd see that there was such a direct link with God that it was as if his physical form was not visible.
यहाँ से लाइट निकलती थी।
It was light radiating from his forehead.
मुख से जो बोल कहते थे, ये नहीं बोल रहा है जैसे परमात्मा के थ्रू बोल रहा है और हमारे दिल को टच कर रहा है।
It was as if he wasn't speaking, but he was an instrument for the divine to speak through him, and those words were touching our hearts.
जो गीता पढ़ते, भगवत गीता पढ़ते समझ में नहीं आता था, वो समझ में आने लगा अच्छी तरह से।
I had studied the Gita and the scriptures, but hadn't understood, and
तो
now it was as
जैसे
if I could understand.
माँ बाप बहन भाई जिसके साथ इतनी अटैचमेंट थी, ये सब मेरे ने, मैं अकेली आत्मा ईश्वर के घर से आई थी, फिर से ईश्वर की बन रही हूँ।
There was this amazing experience through Brahma Baba looking at me in that awareness of God's remembrance, that I, the soul, am totally free from the consciousness of the body, detached from the body, and I am separate from this body, my relatives, mother, father, the whole physical world is quite separate, and I, the soul, belong to God.
सब ऐसे आँखों को देखते थे, तुमको क्या, बस मैं ईश्वर की हूँ। जैसे इंसान मरा हुआ होता है तो उसकी आँखें खुली, पर मरे हुए की अलग होती है, ये जैसे कि इस दुनिया से दूर है, एक ईश्वर के साथ है।
It brought such a deep transformation. It was like when a person dies, then the whole world dies for that person. There's nothing. In the same way, death, of course, is a physical experience which is different. But in this case, it was like the soul became totally separate from the body, and it was a feeling that I don't belong to this world and nothing here belongs to me.
इंसान जैसे कोशिश कर डिटैच होना इम्पॉसिबल है, कैसे होगा, परंतु शरीर के संबंधी है, ये तो विनाशी है, ये तो आज है कल न रहेंगे, कर्मों का हिसाब किताब है।
If a person tries to be detached, it's usually quite difficult. But in this case, it happened in such a powerful, natural way, that state of detachment in which there was the awareness that all of the physical things and all physical relationships were temporary because they belong to the world of matter, and so had a finite limit to them. And I, the soul, am eternal.
So what is the purpose of creation? In other words, why was the universe created? And therefore, why are we human beings here?
तो ये तो सारा तुमको बताऊं बैठ के?
So should I tell you the detail?
Please.
अच्छा, पहले हम सब शास्त्र पढ़े हैं, परंतु शास्त्रों में से आंसर पूरे नहीं मिलते थे।
I had studied the scriptures of India but hadn't found answers.
तो जब समझो कंफ्यूजन था,
There was confusion.
कोई कहता था ये जगत मिथ्या है,
Some were saying that the world is an illusion.
सुपन है,
It's a dream.
ऐसे कैसे मालूम मिथ्या है, जगत तो है ना।
And yet I was seeing the world around me. How could I believe it's an illusion?
तो भगवान से क्वेश्चन पूछती थी, भगवान ये क्या है सब?
So I used to ask God, what is the purpose of all this?
तो भगवान कहता है बच्ची, ये सृष्टि का चक्कर है।
And God explains, the world goes through a cycle.
ये पहले आदि जो था ना, एक देवता धर्म था,
At first it was the one divine way of life.
वो लंबा समय चला था।
That lasted for a long period of time.
फिर इब्राहिम आया, बुद्ध आया, क्राइस्ट आया,
Then all these prophet souls came,
और धर्म
Abraham,
बीचे स्थापन हुए।
Buddha, Christ.
अब सब धर्म में जो है ना, सतो रजो तमो से पास करके सब धर्मों में धर्म की सत्ता चली गई है।
And now we have the situation where all the religions are here, but that spiritual strength of the religions has been lost.
न धर्म में न राज्य में शक्ति नहीं रही है।
There's no strength left either in religion or in
झूठ
governance.
और हिंसा।
There's falsehood and violence.
अभी ऐसे टाइम पर
And at such a time,
भगवान कहता है
God says,
तो अब जागो,
it's time to awaken.
अंधेरी रात जा रही है,
The night is finishing.
सतयुग आएगा,
The golden age, the age of truth is about to come.
सभी आत्माएं, कितनी पॉपुलेशन बढ़ गई है,
The
से
population
आ
has
गई है।
increased so hugely. All the souls from the home are down here now.
All the souls from
The home are down here on the world
the
stage,
home being
the place of light.
आत्माओं का घर तो असुतवा है।
The home of souls is the world beyond.
ब्रह्मा बाबा को भी परमात्मा ने बताया ये तुम्हारा अंतिम जन्म है।
Brahma Baba understood from the guidance he was receiving from God that this is the final birth,
हमको भी
a preparation for the next cycle.
हमको भी याद आ रहा है ये हमारा अंतिम जन्म है।
I also have to remember that it's my final birth in the Iron
भले
Age.
जितने दुनिया में पाप है, इतना पाप नहीं किया है, परंतु निर्विकारी तो नहीं है।
It's time to finish the account of sin and become completely
आत्मा
viceless.
है
And the soul has to come again back to that state of
तो
purity.
भगवान याद दिलाता है।
God reminds us,
तो ओरिजिनल तुम असली आत्मा परमात्मा के देश में बड़ी प्योर थी।
when you were in the home with God, you were very pure.
So there must have been a reason why God manifested himself, why he created the universe.
और संसार बनाया होगा.
Because in his primordial state he was already pure and perfect.